Now we will discuss the MCQs of this exercise. So the first MCQ is, the soil or terrestrial ecosystem has some adaptation for dash in animals and plant. Option A, supporting tissue. Option B, retention of food. Option C, temperature. Option D, nutrient. The right option is option A, supporting tissues. Second है, most plants fit only into a few ecosystem. Which type of plants seem to fit into the ecosystem of grassland? Trees, shrubs, perennial herbs या annual weed. The right option is option C, perennial herbs. Third है, in which type of ecosystem is the smallest fraction of nutrient present into the soil? Savanna, tundra, grassland या desert. The right option है option P, tundra, क्योंकि यहाँ पर बायोमास नहीं होता और जब बायोमास नहीं होगा तो वो डिकम्पोज नहीं होगा और न्यूट्रिएंट्स जो होता है उस एरिया में नहीं होंगे. Fourth है, what biome has the richest soil with nutrients and can be converted into agriculture? Option A, deciduous forest. Option B, tropical grassland. Option C, grassland. Option D, coniferous forest. The right option is option A, deciduous forest. Fifth है, which of the biome has been increased in area by human activities? Grassland, savanna, desert, conifers. The right option is option C, deserts. इसके साथ ही हमारे MCQs complete हो गए. In the next video we will discuss the short answers.